In this video, I'm going to show you a few tips on how to best organize your Microsoft Teams classes. So by default now you get this view to view your classes, and within this list you can move your classes around by dragging and dropping them. But what can happen is that you can get too many classes up here and it gets quite confusing about which ones you are using most often. So an easy way to manage this is to click the three dots in the top right hand corner of any class and select hide. And I don't want this one either, so I'm going to hide this team as well. And what that does, it puts it into this hidden team section at the bottom here. So it's hidden away, but you can always access it if you need it. And if you want to bring something back, you just reverse the process. Click the three dots and click show. And then if you, for example, you want to get rid of a team entirely, you can just select leave the team. Select leave the team here, and it will remove the team completely from your view. You can also filter your teams. So if you click the filter icon on the top right here, you can filter them by classes and staff groups, and that allows you to separate them out into different categories of team. You can also, by clicking the cog, go into a full manage team view where you can leave teams and manage the teams from here, or hide them or display them from here as well. If I click back, you can also switch view, and this gives you it's a slightly more complicated, but it does give you a broader overview of the teams and classes you've got open. So I'm going to click switch view, and I'm going to choose list and close this window. And you'll see from this view that all my classes and teams are now listed along the left hand side, and I can expand them or minimize them so I can see each of the channels within them and to be able to jump directly into them. And at the bottom here, my hidden teams are showing there as well. To switch back from this view, I click the cog, switch view, and select grid, and I'm back to normal.